sisters, also called the Twisted Sisters. In Texas, they're ranch roads. Not many places to stop here. We were lucky and found a spot to stop on this really cool corner. So we're just starting to get people going by. We are camping and riding in Texas Hill Country. The area is known for its limestone and granite hills. This is what happens when you camp in Texas in the summer. We're the only ones in the entire campground. Have it all to ourselves. It is supposed to get down to 73 or 71 tonight. We've got our fire ready to go. And we're going to ride the Three Sisters tomorrow, which we have done before. And there are fireflies. Okay, well this is our campground. There's a toad down there that kept me awake a lot last night, making funny noises. We're the only ones here. The deer were here. Some guy drove up and scared them off. So we are in Medina. Am I pronouncing that correctly? I think so, right? It says open, the sign. $7:30, $6:30, yeah, they open early. I'll just give my helmet on.
Split apart. Pretty good. Breaking down infinitesimally small. looking for some part of me that's caught behind the bookshelf, but I can't seem to find anything. Guess I'll have to look somewhere else.
Turning on to the Three Sisters. The first ranch road for the day, Ranch Road 337. The three ranch roads, 337, 335, and 336, make up the Three Sisters, also known as the Twisted Sisters. Most of the ride in this section between Medina and Vanderpool is rolling hills and ranchland. Ranch Road 337 gets more twisty west of Vanderpool. There are lots of deer in hill country, which is why we don't ride here at night. We want to ride early in the morning before it gets too hot, but late enough to hopefully miss the deer. The deer on the dark, twisty roads is one of the main reasons we came to the area the night before. Texas is also home to wild pigs. Paul was riding not far from here a few years ago. He saw a wild pig on the side of the road at night, and it ran towards him, hit his bike. Luckily, it hit his engine guard and ran away. Completely bent the engine guard, and we found out later, cracked the frame. I've lost track of how many times we've ridden the Three Sisters. I think about 4 times for the whole thing, but we have ridden parts of the Three Sisters going to and from other rides. I have ridden the Three Sisters on at least 4 bikes. Our first bike, a Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200T Superlow, a rented Heritage Classic, the bike Paul's now riding, the Road King, with a Milwaukee 8 engine, and what I'm riding now, my BMW F700 GS. I rode the Indian FTR 1200S at an Indian demo ride. The whole time riding that on the freeway, I was thinking this would be a great bike for the Three Sisters. Lots of fun to ride and super easy to corner. Although hours on the freeway to get here might not be fun, and I have no idea where to put the camping gear on that bike. I will put a link in the description below of the Indian demo ride. We are pulling into Lost Maples General Store in Vanderpool. There is a motorcycle museum up the road. We stopped to see if it was open. It wasn't open yet, so we'll come back later. I will show the museum in a future video. Here's our first big hill climb towards the twisties. The Three Sisters are popular motorcycle roads, where it's common to see more bikes than cars. These warning signs are found on the twistier Texas roads.
heats up, these swimming holes will be filled with people relaxing in the water. Most, if not all, of the rivers in hill country are spring-fed and clear. We are riding through Lakey, staying on 337 all the way to Camp Wood. The Three Sisters and Ranch Road 336 will bring us back to Lakey, where we will have lunch later on. That will be in an upcoming video. Ranch Road 337 has a reputation for one of the most beautiful roads in Texas. There are a few state parks in the area, and although the surrounding towns are small, there are many options for places to stay. Three Sisters. Oh, your bike's rolling a bit?
Someone put these hats on the posts. I'm assuming there's a reason for this, or it means something, but I don't know what. And if you're riding by, you'd miss them. I just saw them because we stopped. On 337, one of the Three Sisters. One of the Three Sisters, also called the Twisted Sisters. In Texas, they're ranch roads. Not many places to stop here. We were lucky and found a spot to stop on this really cool corner. And we're just starting to get people going by.
on the first leg of our Three Sisters ride. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified for our next video as we continue to ride the Three Sisters. We are coming into Camp Wood, where we will leave the 337. Our next video will continue on the Three Sisters, going north on Highway 335.
We are in Camp Wood, Texas. We're riding on the Three Sisters today. We just stopped for gas. I'm not sure if we're going to eat here or keep going. So we did 337 already from Medina area, which is where we're camping, to Camp Wood. And we're going to keep going. Okay, I was trying to do this where you can't see my reflection. So, right now we are here. Oh, where's my finger? There we are, in Camp Wood. We just came along here, and then over here. We came from our campground's like over here somewhere off the map. So this way is what we've done. Now we've got gas. We're gonna go up here and down. And these are the Three Sisters. See the Three Sisters.
Thanks to Madre for letting me use their song. It was the second song in the video. Check out my other social media to follow my moto adventures.